there we go. Now I want to talk about an important concept, a good island consciousness concept. That concept be being, right? Just be. You know, just check yourself and just be. Now, this is how it works in the greetings. When you come up and you hail somebody up and you greet somebody, you be like, "Hey man, how you be?" You don't ask somebody how you is or how are you. You ask them, "Hey man, how you be?" Right? Because you're asking them how their whole beingness is, their whole essence. Right? It built into the language and the way people's is. Right? How you be is the greeting. The response be, "Hey man, I be safe," right? Which means I be good. Okay? But it's more than that because it's I be safe. Right? Remember, I be, you be, we all be going down the street. Check? Okay. So I be, my being, my true self, is safe. Right? Safe meaning alright, good, but also on an energetic level, meaning pure, meaning secure, meaning things all over good, right? It's not just the mind, it's the body and the soul, right? It's the emotional levels, right? It all built in. Okay, so now we move on. If somebody not safe, be like, "Hey man, how you be?" Response being, "Ah man, today hard, right?" You know, or "Man, you know, me wife, she be yelling at me about something," you know? Okay, so you go into more depth about things, right? So, and this is an important concept to cover